morning and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in Bitcoin USD pair. Greg will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
Bitcoin has lost 5.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI transitioned sharply into overbought territory. The euro-dollar pair has lost 0.1% in the last session. The ROC plunged into negative territory. The sterling-dollar pair has added 0.5% in the last two sessions. The stochastic RSI has gradually diminished into the oversold area. The Aussie-dollar pair has added 0.8% in the last two sessions. The highs-lows indicator has shot up into the positive zone.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
A European Commission document shows EU antitrust regulators have sought information from advertisers regarding Google's advertising technology practices. UK stocks inched higher as miners gained after a strong production forecast from BHP Group, while luxury brand Burberry jumped on its optimistic outlook for Asia. BlackRock, the multi-trillion-dollar asset manager, mentions Bitcoin derivatives in its latest prospectus with the SEC.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The U.S. housing starts will be released at 13:30 GMT. The U.S. continuing jobless claims at 13:30 GMT. The Eurozone's ECB interest rate decision at 12:45 GMT. The Eurozone's ECB deposit rate decision will be released at 12:45 GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy statement at 300 GMT. Japan's BOJ interest rate decision at 300 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.